Guess the Italian Brainrot character, let's go! Who is this Brainrot animal? Balerina cappuccina. Which Italian Brainrot is this? Scimpanzini bananini. Wah, wah, wah. Follow and like or tongue sahur will eat you. Which Italian Brainrot is this? Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Guess this Brainrot animal. Mateo! Share and tag a friend who looks like Trippy Troppy. Who is this Brainrot animal? Trick track baraboom. Il mio mantello fa rum rum. Like the video if you thought that was too easy. Do you know who this is? Ta 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 ta. Sahur. Okay, now the last one and the hardest one.